All right, in this video, we are going to walk through how to create an inbound shipment. So first off, you're going to head over to inbound shipments on the left-hand side. You're going to click create inbound shipment. In this case, I'm going to select the client. If you already have the client selected or you are the client, then you don't need to worry about this and you won't see this. Warehouse, choose whichever warehouse you would like that this is going to go to. And then this is your own reference. So let's say I'm going to name this my new inbound shipment. Click create. And it's going to take you over to this page. So once you're here, you're going to have some basic info over here about the shipment that you can edit. So you can edit the reference. You'll be able to see, you could assign a vendor if you want to, the ship date, expected date, all this fun stuff that helps your warehouse receive your things better. So you can edit any of these. You'll also see the history down here. And then there is a warehouse note. You can edit the status and tags. You also can upload attachments down here. But the main thing we're concerned with is products. How do we add the products and tell the warehouse what's coming? Well, to add a product, you click the Add Product button. It's going to pull up all your products, and you can search for them. So, like, let's say I want to add fish oil. Great. I'll add fish oil, and maybe let's say I want to add my vanilla protein. Great. So in here, there's 100 coming. You're going to put 100, and let's say there's 50 of these. You can hit save, and boom, you're all set. Sell ahead is used if you would like, if you're writing inventory back to a marketplace, this will add however many you specify here to the current available amount. So if you want to sell these before they actually get in and not have your inventory show as sold out if it was already there, or if you don't have any, then that is what sell ahead is used for. If you would like to create a product to add to the PO because it does not already exist, you can go here, give it a name and a SKU. So I'll say, let's say we're going to sell collagen powder. And I can give it a SKU. And this will actually create the product. Oh, it looks like we already have a SKU with that one, so I'll name one. We'll name this collagen powder 5, 6. Great. And now it will actually create the SKU and add it. So now let's say I'm going to have 10 of these. Save. And there you go. So that is how you create an inbound shipment.